So I just got out of this meeting and I was talking with a client of mine about what type of event are they working on building. And as we got into it, they were like, wait a minute, I thought it was just an event. But that's true, they are just an event, but there's a lot of different types. So the way I look at it, there's two main types of events that anybody could do. There's a sales event, which is an event designed to help ascend people through your value ladder, help get people to the next level in your organization as a client. And then there's a fulfillment event. A fulfillment event is designed to provide value and to provide what someone already bought. So this two different types of events are really important to keep in mind when it comes to how are you doing. Hey, Michael, good seeing you, my friend. So it's really important to keep in mind, are you looking at an event that is designed to generate revenue, to sell something, or are you putting together an event designed to fulfill something that you already sold? Because both are structured, they're similar, but there's a lot of differences. At a fulfillment event, you don't actually want to sell something. I mean, if in one-on-one conversations you upsell someone, that's great. But at a fulfillment event, so I'm in a coaching program. I'm going to a big event in May where we're going to learn a lot of stuff, be with the trainers, right? Get some hands-on things. I'm not expecting them to sell me. I'm already paying $25,000 to be in the room. If I go there and they're pitching something else, it's going to be a little weird. It's a fulfillment event. Now, if while I'm there, I go up to one of the leaders and say, hey, you know, this is rocking. I'm loving what I'm learning. I want to take this to the next level. How do I extend or expand through your value ladder? Then it's my decision. That's awesome. We can do that. But I don't want you to plan a fulfillment event and sell at it. It comes off real cheesy. It comes off insincere. So yes, there is a difference. And I want you to be aware of it. So as you're going through your day, as you're thinking about the events that you've done or are working on doing, I want you to think about this. Is this event designed to sell a back-end product? Or is it designed to fulfill a large purchase you've sold in the past? And there are some that do both. For example, I'm working with another company that does marketing services. They're putting together a live event for 5 people. It's a done with you. Come in 3 days, build out your marketing plan, build out your marketing system, record some videos. It's a fulfillment event. But they're also going to say, if you want more, this is what that would look like. They're going to make an offer. So I want you to keep that in mind. What event are you doing? And do you need to change it? Do you need to adjust it based on the people in the room, based on why you're doing the event, based on a lot of information that I can't tell you? See, every event is unique. Every event is different. There is a process and a system to creating events, but there is not a one size fits all. Oh, you need this event. No, it just doesn't work that way. So anybody who comes in and says, oh, you need an event, this is the basics, this is how you do it, I want to encourage you to push back a little bit and say, really? So what you're saying is every event should cost $1,000? No. There's variations. There are so many factors when it comes to putting on an event. You just have to make sure you've got the right mindset. You've got the right process, and start with the outcome. I cannot stress this enough, you guys. You've got to start with, what is the outcome I want for my attendees from this event? No matter if you're selling or if it's a fulfillment event or anything like that, start with the outcome. That is the best way to get your clients the results that they came for, whether it's a fulfillment event or a sales event, because every sales event should provide a ton of value. Just because you're offering them a way to extend through the value ladder doesn't mean they're there to be pitched. They should also get a boatload of value. They should get a lot of return on investment. So I want you to keep that in mind. Be cognizant. Be cognizant of how you're structuring this, how you're organizing it, and your results will be much better than if you just wing it. Trust me, I know I've just winged it multiple times in the past. Never works out how you expect it. So I hope you guys have a fantabulous day. If you are thinking about doing an event and you're not sure which type of event, do you want to do a weekend workshop? Do you want to do a retreat? Do you want to do a big staged event? Not sure about any of that? I want to invite you to come to the virtual event we're doing, where we're going to be training all things live event. It's designed to give you the process that we follow when it comes to putting on our live events. So that workshop, it's the live events workshop, live events launchpad. You can go to epicevents.live, and I'll post a link in this video where you can get access to that workshop, and we'll talk to y'all real soon.